Today our topic is about liabilities, what is meant by liability and its kinds. So first we start with the liability definition. Liability means obligations, promise which business have to pay outsiders as well as insiders. So we take some examples of liabilities like bank loans, debentures, note payables, accrued expenses, and similarly other unearned incomes are liabilities of business. If we discuss about the kinds of liabilities, we can divide these liabilities into two broad categories. First one is external liabilities. External or outsider liabilities are those liabilities which business have pay their promise or their obligations toward outsiders, entities, organizations, institutions. So let's start with current liability. That is the first kind of external liability. Current liability, other name is short-term liabilities. Those liabilities which are payable within 1 year are called current liabilities. Examples of these liabilities are like bank overdraft, wages payable, rent payable, and other accrued expenses and unearned income. Next type is non-current liabilities, or sometimes we call it long-term liabilities. Those liabilities which business have to pay more than 1 year, means these liabilities are not payable within 1 year but more than 1 year. Why we borrow? These liabilities basically arises due to purchasing capital assets for business. For example, mortgage loans, this is long-term liability, debentures, bonds, capital lease, etc. are the examples of non-current liabilities or long-term liabilities. Next one is contingent liabilities. Contingent liabilities are those liabilities of business which may arise or which may not arise because it depends upon the happening of certain events. If certain event occurred, then this liability may be created. If not occurred, this liability may not created. The example of these liabilities, as you can see, lawsuit proceedings, product warranties, guarantees for loan, breach of contract, default in supplies. The most important point in this contingent liability is that we cannot write these contingent liabilities in the balance sheet. We write it below the balance sheet as a footnote. The next broad category is internal liabilities. Internal liability means the investment of owners. As we know, according to separate entity concept of business, business and investor or owner are two different entities. It is the responsibility of business that he should return the investment of owner with profit. So here owner equity is the claim of owners that is on business. So this is fourth type, we call this owner equity. And owner equity, there may be capital, its example, as well as profit or retained earning. Next, this is the format of balance sheet. How we write the liabilities? We write liabilities first current liabilities, then long-term liabilities, and then owner's equity. This is marshalling rule we apply. This is according to the liquidity. As you know, first of all, we have to pay current liabilities, then long-term liabilities, and owner claim is as last. You know, whenever business goes to liquidation, in that situations owner claim their capital if it remains. So this is all about liabilities.